Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, over here in the Weather Center with Michelle, she's been working pretty hard all morning long since about 5 a.m. Huge storm down in the mid-Atlantic states, but doesn't look like it's really going to affect us.
No, you know, you look at the radar and it's hard to believe that we're going to miss out on it, but we have all of the weather ingredients coming together for us to really be spared the brunt of this storm. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar over Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Not only is it a dry day, it's a very pretty day outside as well. We still have mostly sunny skies over Providence. Temperatures are at 34. It feels a little bit cooler when you factor in that west-northwest wind, but the winds generally are even lighter than they were yesterday at this time, and the humidity is very low at only 43%. Temperatures right now coming in 35 in Johnston, 36 in Warwick. Our weather spotters all reporting 30s as well. Jim in North Smithfield, one of the cooler spots, right at 30. With bright sunshine. Steve in Warwick, 34, a little bit warmer, he said, than yesterday. That's the wind chill. He's not feeling quite as much today. And Brad in Cumberland, 36, he said it's a perfect 10 out of 10 in his mind. Well, for February weather, it's not bad. It's all courtesy of high pressure. That's doing two things. It's providing cool air. It's also providing a dome of dry air. You can think of it as a protective dome for us this weekend, because while a major storm system, winter storm, is working its way towards the mid-Atlantic states, this high is going to force it, pretty much put the brakes on its northern progress and force it to the east, staying well south of our area. But snow breaking out from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, later today across Philly, Washington, D.C. This is just a snowfall accumulation futurecast, so one computer model's take, but it just does a good job of showing where the bullseye of the heavy snow will be, right in this area from Washington, D.C., northern Virginia, out towards southern New Jersey, and it's in that zone where they could pick up 18 to 24 inches of snowfall. For us, Futurecast starting at 2 o'clock this afternoon. The one change I envision happening this afternoon is that we'll see some high clouds streaming in, so that skies by, say, 11:30 tonight are mostly cloudy, and they'll continue to thicken up through the overnight hours. This is the leading edge of the snow, and I've widened out the view a little bit for you so you can see where the snow makes it all the way out towards Long Island. Never quite makes it into our area. Now, this is awfully close. I mean, 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon, you don't have to travel too far out to sea to find the access of heavy snow and wind. So we'll be keeping an eye on the northern edge to make sure it doesn't creep closer to us. But all the new information I'm getting in late this morning and early this afternoon still indicating that the worst of it stays offshore. We may just see some snow showers and snow flurries, and the closer you are to the coastline, the better chance you have of seeing that. For this afternoon, it stays dry, increasing high clouds, about 32 to 37 for highs on average, and we'll stay around, say, 33 in Coventry. Northern Rhode Island climbing a couple of degrees into the lower 30s, Burrillville and Scituate, and southeastern Massachusetts. Sun gives way to high clouds, Martha's Vineyard at about 35, and we'll be in the mid-30s for Fall River and in New Bedford. Tonight's mostly cloudy, a low of 20. Again, for the weekend, maybe a few snow showers, but still looking like the worst of it for us. Blustery winds will have the clouds around in a chilly day at 29. Bright sunshine, blustery still on Sunday with a high of about 30. Now, snow lovers, and I know there's some of you out there, we have another chance for possibly some snow Tuesday night into Wednesday. And the week ahead does look on the chillier side. So check back in with Tony tonight starting live at 5. You can also get updates 24 hours a day on the Pinpoint Weather Station, Cox Digital Cable Channel 125. Again, all indications are it stays offshore, but we're not going to not watch it this week.
No, of
it's
course
worth watching.
But at this point, it looks like we're looking out.
We certainly are.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Michelle.